Hi guys, today we've decided to come to Payal Business Center. This is a location where they have everything from India, like Indian clothing, Indian foods, and they have like hair salons, everything. So we are going to a restaurant today, so let's see to which one we go or which one has good food. So keep watching. So we are going inside this restaurant. So guys, we've ordered the food and the food has arrived. This is mine, chole bhature. So it's chickpeas with fried circle bread, yogurt, carrot pickle and chili pickle with fresh onions. And this one my husband ordered is called Amritsari chole. That's some kind of stuffed naan bread, again chickpeas with the pickles and yogurt. And now we're gonna order some takeout sweets. These are the different Indian sweets. This is one of my favorites. I don't know what it's called, but it looks good.